With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and we just returned from CEDIA Expo 2022, which is the best high-end residential show in the world right now. And one of the things I got to do is at the innovation stage, I got to give out the awards for the top three best new products from companies that are kind of startups or new companies or companies that are entering the new segments of the market. And one of those companies is with me today, IDView. I have Nadia Manga and Vincent Tong with me. Nadia is a tech analyst, and Vincent Tong is the VP of technology. And we all won for a product that is a 180-degree security camera that will work in both the high-end residential market as well as the commercial market, right, Nadia?
Right. So what we had displayed was our bullet camera, the 180-degree small form factor. We have it both in a bullet, and then I also have it in a dome factor here as well.
Very cool.
And
it's 180 degrees, so it's literally shooting 180 degrees.
Right.
And is it network based, or how does it work?
Yeah, it's an IP camera. It's a wall to wall, so you can basically like people say can it pan tilt zoom? Why do you need that? Because it's 180 degrees. It'll get you wall to wall. If you pan tilt it anywhere else, it'll hit the wall and stuff.
So Nadia, is it network based, or how does it connect?
It is network based. It's an IP camera. So
okay, and do you have an app with it, or how can you connect it to third party control systems?
You can connect it to
so you can connect it with an app or a third party control system. So we currently work with Control 4, Elan, Savant, Crestron, any of the major players in the home automation market. So with the small form factor, as Nadia can show you, Nadia, you can show her the difference in the size of it.
So this is the usual more expensive 3-factor 180-degree camera that everyone usually tries to buy.
Yeah.
Our guys were able to engineer it into a smaller form factor for half the cost of that big one.
Not even half the cost. There's a fraction of the cost. So let's say the big one costs like $1,500. The new one costs like dealers less than $200.
Right.
So that way, it made it affordable, and not too intruding. We're not trying to go to when they go buy the house, they're not trying to look at a Walmart or something to prevent it. They just want some activity seen and recorded and stuff like that. So we were able to compress it down into a small form factor as well, with our engineering prowess. And then we were from $1,500, we were able to bring it down to less than $200 dealer cost. At the same time, we were using umbrella chipset, which is not banned by the U.S. government, because the U.S. government has a lot of bans in place with the Huawei chipsets and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right now. So we utilize a non-banned company to do our technology with that.
So Nadia, I have a question for you. So this product obviously was shown at CEDIA, which is a high-end residential show, but this would also work in commercial applications too, would it not?
Yes, it does work in commercial applications as well, because it gives you, again, that wall-to-wall, as well as our cameras also give you a good depth as well. So you're able to see pretty far out within the camera.
Yeah, using the 8-megapixel technology, we were able to achieve the resolution that we needed to do that wide field of view. So,
and Nadia, what about at night? Does it go into a night view mode, or how does that work when it's dark?
So Vincent can actually explain a little more on that, because he has a camera at his house.
Yeah, so nighttime, when it comes night, then it'll focus on using its IR technology built into it to illuminate the scene. So even though it's in pitch dark, it will illuminate with the infrared technology, and then it'll become black and white and be clear as day for them.
Okay, and what's the resolution of the camera?
8
megapixels, 4K technology. So.
All right, excellent. So you can learn more about it at idview.com. They were the runner-up. We're going to talk to the other runner-up as well as the company that won. And I even think that they would probably agree the company that won probably deserved it because they're saving lives with their product, especially kids' lives around pools. So I want to kind of tease that a little bit. But you check it out at idview.com. And is this in stock and available to ship now, Nadia?
Yes. Now, like, when we were showing at the show, we did not have it in stock yet. But then, like, but people kept on pre-ordering it. They pre-ordered, like, we had like at least like 30, 40 people like pre-order. And they go like, oh, I want this because the fact is, in traditional ways, when someone comes up with a camera like this, it's proprietary. Ours is not proprietary. Ours is like, full-fledged, open to every single platform. So they can just plop this camera in and it works for them.
Excellent. Well, look, check it out at idview.com. And thanks for joining me on today's Rants and Raves. And of course, if you want to watch all of our video casts or listen to all of our podcasts, just go to ravepubs.com and click on the radio link. Everyone have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you. You have a great day too.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.